फीमेल
यार एक सेक।
फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव मॉडल, ठीक है। रेक्टम, यूट्रस, वेजाइना, यूरिनरी ब्लैडर, यूरिथ्रा. Here we have vaginal opening. Here we have anal opening. सही है. First of all, rectum. Rectum is divided into three parts: upper fold, middle fold, lower fold by transverse ridges, by transverse fold or Houston valves, also called as Houston valves. सही है. Between rectum and uterus we have rectouterine pouch, also called as pouch of Douglas. Between uterus and urinary bladder we have utrovesical pouch. सही है. Uterus, body of uterus, cervix, vagina, ठीक है. The uterus, between uterus and cervix we have angle called anteflexion, which is of 125 degrees. Between uterus and vagina we have angle of anteversion, which is 90 degrees. सही है. Urinary bladder और urethra. Fallopian tube, fibrae and ovaries. Fallopian tube, ovaries और fibrae. सही है. The mesentery, ovary के पास is called as mesoovarium. The mesentery with fallopian tube is mesophalanx, and the mesentery with uterus is mesometrium. Mesometrium. Mesentery with ovary is mesoovarium. Mesentery with fallopian tube is mesophalanx, and mesentery with uterus is mesometrium. सही है. Ureter, ovarian vessels, or we have round ligament of uterus.